Hey everyone! In today's quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Cloudflare DNS with Google Chrome. By the end of this video, not only will your online experience be a little safer and more private, but you might even notice web pages loading just a bit quicker. If you're looking for a simple way to improve both your browsing privacy and speed, you're in the right place, so let's dive right in. First things first, let's open up Chrome settings. In the top right corner of your Chrome browser, you'll see a small icon with 3 vertical dots, kind of like a traffic light standing on end. Click on that and you'll see a drop-down menu pop up. From here, simply choose Settings. This is where you control almost everything about your browsing experience. From themes to passwords, and today, we're heading in to adjust something behind the scenes. Your DNS settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the menu on the left-hand side. It's got lots of options, but the one we want is called Privacy and Security. Go ahead and click on that. Now scroll down a bit until you find an option labeled Security. A quick tip here: don't be afraid to click around and explore. These menus might seem intimidating at first, but they hold some really powerful tools for controlling your privacy. With the Security section open, scroll down until you spot something called Use Secure DNS. This is the real star of today's tutorial. DNS stands for Domain Name System. Think of it as the phone book of the internet. Whenever you type in a web address, your browser asks a DNS server for the IP address, a bit like looking up a friend's number before you call them. The secure part means we're going to encrypt those lookups so nobody can easily spy on which sites you're trying to visit, not your ISP. Not the coffee shop Wi-Fi owner, not anyone. You'll notice a little toggle switch next to Use Secure DNS. Go ahead and turn that on if it isn't already. It might take a second. Don't worry if a warning or explanation pops up. Chrome is just letting you know that Secure DNS can help protect your privacy. Now, right below that toggle, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and you'll see several DNS providers listed. Choose Cloudflare 1111. Cloudflare is known for being privacy-focused and super fast. Think of it as switching your old, dusty phone book for a brand new, up-to-date one with unlisted numbers. Once you've selected Cloudflare, you're all set. At this point, you can go ahead and close out of the Settings tab. You don't need to hit save or anything. Chrome takes care of that for you automatically. From now on, all your DNS queries will be encrypted using Cloudflare servers, which means your browsing history is quite a bit more private, and you might notice pages loading just a bit faster, especially if you were previously using default settings. And that's it. You've just made your internet browsing on Chrome a lot more private and a little snappier. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps out. If you have any questions or want to share your experience, drop a comment below. I always do my best to reply. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.